Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the system so dust doesn't blow into your face. That protects components and gives a steady workspace. Remove the nearest vent cover using a screwdriver or by hand and shine your light to inspect the filter slot. Once done, pull the old filter straight out while noting its airflow arrow and size printed on the frame. Make sure to set the old filter aside in a bag for disposal and keep the replacement ready for immediate installation. You should vacuum the filter slot and surrounding housing to remove loose dust and pet hair so the new filter can seal properly. Inspect the interior for mold, greasy buildup, or torn seals. If you see mold, treat or call a pro. Don't just cover it. Once clean, orient the new filter so its airflow arrow points toward the blower. Slowly slide it into the track until it seats evenly. Make sure the gasket or frame sits flush to prevent bypass and loss of efficiency. You reinstall the vent cover and tighten screws just enough to hold it. Over-tightening can warp plastic frames. Restore power and run the system, watching and feeling for steady airflow at multiple vents to confirm correct placement. If you detect rattles, reduced airflow, or a whistling sound, turn the system off. Then recheck filter orientation and seating. One key troubleshooting tip: if airflow is still weak after reseating, a clogged return or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.